Good morning, my dear brothers and sisters. Today I am very much excited, and today's date is very important for me as I am putting forward my dream, my vision before you. My dream is to transform India, to make India better, such that a better place to live in. Since years together, thousands of people contributed a lot for the development of India in terms of education, in terms of culture, in terms of civilization, and on various dimensions. My dream is to uplift India in education through establishing the universities. Basically, education has varied dimensions. When a person is educated, the various dimensions of him will be developed. But for me, three major dimensions are there. If we are talking about the individual, and if you are talking about the society or the nation, the three dimensions through education we can achieve is peace. We can establish the peace in the nation, in the community, in the society, and in the world. And the other major dimension is the health. Today, people are suffering a lot due to the health. We are not getting sufficient food, as well as we are not getting the proper food, like in terms of organic food. So, the second dimension through education we can work is health. The third dimension, which is more important for me, is dignity, that is the human dignity. So, every person in this world is equal, irrespective of the caste, color, and the gender. So, human dignity should be there through education. So, these are the three major areas, according to me. Peace should be established in the world, we should have good health, and we should have the mutual respect for every individual. So, peace, health, and dignity we are abbreviating here as PhD. So, through PhD, we want to establish the universities. We would like to register a society under this name, which shall be called as PhD India Foundation. Through PhD India Foundation, we would like to establish 250 universities. This is the vision of this organization. Now I am coming into the second part of my today's talk. That is, when I am saying that the vision of PhD India Foundation is to establish 250 universities, what do you feel? Establishing 250 universities is difficult and impossible, or it is possible? Yes, it is difficult and impossible. When it is difficult and impossible? When we are talking about this establishing of 250 universities is done by a person or by a specific community or by a specific society, then establishing 250 universities is difficult or impossible also. But when we are talking about the nation or the great nation India, when every individual of our beloved country is owned the concept of PhD India Foundation to establish the peace for better health and the human dignity, then establishing 250 universities is a very small cause as compared to the nation. So my request here is, be a part of PhD India Foundation. Every individual of the country, irrespective of the state and the region, be a part of PhD India Foundation, and we will establish 250 universities through this organization, and we will establish the peace. We will have a better health, and we will have the society where we can have the human dignity. So with this, I am stopping here. Please think on this and be a part of this organization, and please keep your suggestions and your remarks in the comment section below. Thank you very much. Thanks a lot.